Lezi ndaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhome komkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli nazo ezinohlonze emini nje.
Countries in the global south face a lack of predictable financing development.
Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa wethule inkulumo engqungqutheleni iWorld Economic Forum nalapho enxuse ukuthi kube nokusebenzisana phakathi kwamazwe omhlaba ukuze kubhekwane nezinselele zezomnotho.
Ayiyonyani lonto.
That is not true.
Uvana oku ewe besivana kodwa ayiyonyani uba bendingafuna ukumxelela uba andiyifuni.
Kuyaqhubeka ukuhlonywa ngembuzo kaAndiswa Mengo esigcawini esihlalele isikhalo esifakwe ngomengameli wamajaji Eastern Cape ijaji uSelby Mbenenge. Namhlanje kuhlangana iminyaka eyi-146 ibutho likaZulu lanqoba amangisi empini yasesandlwana eNquthu. Mbukelisi kubingelele sikwamukele indaba zasemini enethulelwa uNoxolo uMamtshali wakwamwali sibonga kakhulu ukuthi uhlanganyele kanye nathi ake sibheke ukuthi iziphe esiphethe namhlanje emini. Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa usenxuse amazwe omhlaba ukuba asebenzisane ukubhekana nezinselele zomnotho womhlaba, ukukhuphuka kwezikweletu kanye nomthelo oguquguquka kwesimo sezulu. uRamaphosa ubethula inkulumo ekhethekile engqungqutheleni iWorld Economic Forum esingethwe eDavos eSwitzerland njengenhloko yezwe kanye nomengameli weG20.
Ekhuluma kule ngqungquthela eqhubekayo eDavos eSwitzerland, umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa udebe isithombe esingesihle malungana nezingqinamba ezikhongethe amazwe omhlaba.
This, I believe, is a time of rising geopolitical tensions, unilateralism, nationalism, protectionism, and isolation, rising debt levels, particularly affecting poor countries in the world.
Umengameli uRamaphosa ubesihlaba ikhwelo lokuthi amazwe omhlaba abambisane ukubhekana nezinselele zomnotho kanye nomthelela ongemuhle wokuguquguquka kwesimo sezulu.
In the global south face a lack of predictable financing development as well as climate change. They also face high levels of debt and they are vulnerable to pandemics. Debt sustainability for low-income countries is one of the 4 priorities of South Africa's G20 presidency.
Umengameli uthi esikhundleni sokuthi izinsiza zihlale zihlinzekwa emazweni ayizikhondla ngokomnotho kufanele kubandakanywe namazwe asathuthuka.
It is simply, in our view, not fair that over 60% of special drawing rights go to a handful of wealthy countries. And these drawing rights should be redirected to enable countries in Africa and other parts of the global south to realize their developmental aspirations.
Uphinde wagcizelela ukuthi izinselele eziningi ezibhekene nezwe njengamanje zingaxazululwa ngokusebenzisana. Wathi iNingizimu Afrika izosebenzisa isikhundla sayo sokwengamela iG20 ukufeza lo mbono.
Sithanda ukuxwayisa ngokuthi lo mbiko olandelayo uqukethe amagama aphathelene nezocansi. Kuyaqhubeka ukuhlonywa ngembuzo kaAndiswa Mengo esigcawini esihlalele isikhalo esifakwe ngomengameli wamajaji Eastern Cape ijaji uSelby Mbenenge.
Ms. Mengo, this part we need truth for both you and the respondent to move on with your lives. I'm not going to pass it.
U-Advocate Moses Kakhano kunguye omele ijaji uMbenenge kulesi sigcawu uqhubeka lapha egcine khona izolo ngokupheka ngembuzo Andiswa Mengo. uSikakhano ubegxile kakhulu emfanekisweni wesithombe awuchaze ngokuthi yiwo beke ehlazweni isithunzi sejaji uMbenenge ngesikhathi uAndiswa Mengo echaza ngawo ngesonto ledlule phambi kwalesi sigcawu esiqhubekayo. Okuveze uAdvocate Sikakhano ngawo namhlanje ukushayisana kwezikhathi okukholakala ukuthi lo mfanekiso obucayi wathunyelwa ngaso.
You will agree with me that it is this picture that has tarnished the respondent's reputation and probably broke his family.
Ibengenguwo lowa lo bendithetha ngawo bendisithi unenwele unoboya bufana nenwele zakhe utsho ngawo council.
It was not this one. You mean the one where I referred to as it had hair that looked like the color of the hair looked like the color on his head? Is that that one?
No, we're getting there. If you didn't describe this one, say so. You did not describe this one.
I says hapo uba isinguwo lo awukhange ucacise lo icho.
Council khange ndimcacise lo.
Isigcawu sisaqhubeka.
Iqembu iANC KwaZulu-Natal namadlandawonye alo bathi abahambisani nokuvalwa kwebhange iThala kanye nenkampani ekhiqiza okusansimbi iArcelormittal eseNewcastle. Leli qembu belibambe isithangamini abeyindaba emva komhlangano obugxile kakhulu ezintweni ezithinta abantu besifundazwe.
Unobhala we-ANC KwaZulu-Natal uthi ukuvala kwebhange iThala kuzohlukumeza kakhulu abantu besifundazwe ikakhulukazi abaqhamuka ezindaweni ezisemakhaya.
As the Alliance, we wish to announce the rejection of the Prudential Authority's following action. Application to the Pietermaritzburg High Court for the litigation of iThala, something that is not in the interest of the approximately 257,000 depositors. Pursuing litigation proceedings before a formal court.
Leli qembu ke lithi ukuvala kwenkampani ArcelorMittal kuzoholela ekutheni abantu balahlekelwe emsebenzini.
The Alliance Secretariat discussed robustly the pending closure of the Newcastle Finance of ArcelorMittal, AMSA. The closure will result in the loss of over 1,300 direct jobs, with an estimated 2,200 indirect jobs at risk in the surrounding communities.
Nekhosathu ke nayo ayihambisani nenkohlakalo kodwa inxusa kuba kusizwe ibhange iThala kunokuba livalwe.
All challenges that iThala could have faced should have been addressed amicably, but try to actually assist iThala than collapsing iThala as a bank, because the majority of the depositors there, it's a people who are poor. There are communities where there are no banks, but there's only iThala.
Umdolo ebuzwa ngokuhlelwa kabusha kwezifundazwe ezimbili uthe konke bakubeke esigungwini esiphezulu seqembu kanye nakunobhala jikelele weqembu.
Iqembu i-Economic Freedom Fighters selivulele ungqongqoshe wemsebenzi kahulumeni nenqalasizinda uDean McPherson icala lenkohlakalo. uMcPherson usolwa ngokugxambukela ezinhlelweni zamathenda. Iqembu iDA lichazele izinsolo-ke njengamampunge.
We've got enough evidence. We've got an email from a minister demanding a payment for a specific contractor called Londro Construction. Remember, the ministers, according to the members, executive members' ethics, he's got no role on the financial or operational matters of IDT. And to demonstrate that his interest on running that department is only for the corrupt activities.
The DA categorically rejects the allegations that's being made against Minister McPherson. These allegations were initially made by the political consultant JJ Tabane, who also moonlights as a media personality. And now the EFF has jumped onto the bandwagon with this thing. I think it's very important, firstly, that we must realize that the EFF is desperately trying to remain relevant.
Namhlanje kuhlangana iminyaka eyi-146 ibutho likaZulu latholana phezulu namangisi kwashona izinkulungwane zabantu esandlwana eNquthu KwaZulu-Natal. Umbungazo walomlando uyaqhubeka ke njengamanje eNquthu, kanti intatheli yethu lapha eSABC uMlondi Hadebe unkanise khona lapha. Mlondi, asikwamukele indaba zasemini, sicela nje ke ukuthi usichazele ngokwenzekayo kulombungazo kanye nje nobumqoka balempi eyenzeka ngonyaka u1879.
Asibingelele noxolo, sibingelele umlaleli ekhaya. Sisendaweni lapha yaseNquthu esandlwana nekuyintaba ethathwa ngokuthi iyona ntaba engcwele esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal, njengoba kwenzeka lapha yana ngo1879 ukuthi kube khona impi phakathi kwamangisi kanye namaZulu, nokwathi lapho uZulu wanqoba kuleyo mpi, nokuyiyona nto enkulu ebalulekile ekukhulunywa ngayo osukwini lanamhlanje, kakhulukazi njengoba wazi ukuthi uZulu ngaleso sikhathi wayezama ukuvikela umhlaba wasesifundazweni noma uzama ukuvikela ukuvikela umhlaba kaZulu. Kanti ke namhlanje ke noxolo kulindeleke ukuthi ke isilo samabandla lapha KwaZulu-Natal akwazi ukuthi laphana sikwazi ukukhuluma kanye nabantu baso esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal ekakhulukazi ukubalekile kanti amehlo wonke abheke khona kubayede ukuthi ngabe kuzokwazi ukuthi ke njengoba kade kulezi insuku ezidlule kube khona inkinga noma kube khona izindaba ezimenyezelwayo ezingezinhle ngendaba eyenzeke endlunkulu kakhulukazi ngokuthi kuxoshwe laphayana obekade engundunankulu kaZulu kuphinde kuxoshwe nomkhulumeli waso indlunkulu kubese kumiswa khona nomshado bekade kuthi uzoba khona ngalempela sonto esibheke kuyona. So namhlanje abantu abaningi babheke kabanzi ukuthi ngabe ke kukhona yini mhlamba azokumemezela ongangezwe lakhe osukwini namhlanje ukuze mhlambe kubonakala ukuthi uPaula uthini futhi nangecala belikade lifakwe enkantolo uNdlunkulu ukaMayisela ukuthi ke amise umshado bokade uzoba khona ngempela sonto ukuthi uyakhuluma yini konke lokho noma uzovela akhulume nje okubhekelene nesizwe kanye nomgubho osukulwa namhlanje njengoba sazi ukuthi usuku olubaleke kakhulu lelo ngoba kulonyaka kuthe kwaqondana umhla ka22 January waqondana nomhla ka22 January kwenzeka ngawo lolu suku eminyakeni engu146 njengoba sigubha lolu suku namhlanje esifundazweni saZulu-Natal. Kanti nje ngizosuka noxolo kancane nje esithombeni ukuze abantu babone emakhaya ukuthi ke nje basikhuluma ngalomgubho osuku namhlanje abantu batheleke ngeinkani kanti nawo amangisi nawo akhona lapha ukuzogubha lomgubho ogujwa ndawonye isizwe samaZulu nesizwe samangisi yize amangisi ahlulwa enqotshwa uZulu kulempi eyayibaleke kangaka esifundazweni saKwaZulu-Natal. Ngakho ke abantu namhlanje baphume ngeinkani ukuza nabo kuzogubha lolu suku nathi masikhuluma nabo bayasho kabanzi ukuthi lolu usuku olubaleke kakhulu ukuthi lihlale ligujwa kwaZulu ngoba uZulu wanqoba ngenxa yokuthi wawubambisene nabanenkolo yokuthi uma ngabe uZulu uqhubeka nokubambisana ezintweni ezinkingeni ezibhekene nawo uzokwazi ukuthi uqhubeke unqobe esizweni ohleli kusona. Sibuyisele izitambu ngakwena Xolo.
Sibonga kakhulu kuMlondi Hadebe olapha ya eNquthu lapho kubungazwa khona impi yaseswandlana eyenzeka lapha ya eNquthu ngo1879. Sathi ka qu8 lombukeli kanti uma ngabe sibuya sokuphathela udaba oluthi
kuye kwafika umoya omkhulu izolo onesithi wathatha iphahla lonke lendlu wawulahla ngaphambili ibhedi ayophula ibiphakathi.
Izakhamuzi zisale dengwane ngemva kokuthi izindlu engaphezulu kwama-60 zikhahlanyezwe imvula enamandla ecofa imvaba e-Eastern Cape. Siphinde sikubingele impokelo sikwamukele mangabe usanda kungena odabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi uMengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa wethule inkulumo engqungqutheleni iWorld Economic Forum nalapho enxuse ukuthi kube nokusebenzisana phakathi kwamazwe omhlaba ukuze kubhekanwe nezinselele zezomnotho. Mbukeli asikukhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube na ku-SABC+. Ngena kuzo uyicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzoyithola ngobunjalo bazo. Iqembu umkhonto wesizwe lithi uAdvocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane uyena ongumgqugquzeli walo eMpumalanga osemthethweni. Lokhu yize inkantolo ephakeme yaseMpumalanga yavuna isicelo sikalowo obengumgqugquzeli waleli qembu kulesi asifundazwe uMary Phadi noephikisana nokuxoshwa kwakhe.
Umkhwebane uthi yena waqokwa umengameli weqembu Jacob Zuma ingakho engekakwazi ukuphawula kakhulu malungana nodaba lokuxoshwa kukaMary Phadi kulesikhundla sesithathile. Umkhwebane uthi okusele ngasohlangothini lwakhe ukuthi enze umsebenzi njengomgqugquzeli weqembu eMpumalanga.
The status quo currently is that the president appointed me with the other 7 of the detachment and we have started doing the work. And we are engaging various stakeholders. We had last week induction with those who are at the provincial legislature, and they were also inducted about the operations of legislature, and as well we then started meeting to draft our plan of action.
Umkhwebane uthi okwavela emva kophenyo ngoPhadi ukuthi wayesebenzisa izinsiza zeqembu ngendlela engalungile futhi nephambene nomthethosisekelo weqembu.
The letter was dealing a lot with how she used the resources of the party, the misappropriation of funds, because that relates to how the account was opened and how the monies were utilized, which it should be a case where she was requested to even respond. But again, Remember, when you are a member of a party, you cannot just have your own fiefdom.
Umkhwebane uthi uzoqhubeka nokugxila emsebenzini wokuletha uzinzo kanye nokudlondlobalisa leli qembu eMpumalanga.
Ungqongqoshe wezokuvikela uAngie Motshekga useveze ukuthi umbutho wezokuvikela wakuleli awukho ezingeni elifanele ngenxa yokushaya ngolonwabo kweinhlelo zokulungiswa kwezindiza kanye nemkhumbi.
It's a very important mission for us as a country, as the region, but also as a continent, to keep the SADC, because basically we've been the most stable region in Africa. If you look at what was happening in East Africa, West Africa, we've been the most stable. And therefore it's been very important to make sure that we keep that stability and deal with any threats that might just destabilize the region itself. It's not an easy mission, because it's been raging forever. It's not a cheap mission because the rebels are really armed and it's fought from different fronts. So it's not only the Congolese who are fighting amongst themselves, but the battles are outside even Congo. But it's a very important mission that has to be supported by us as the region, also us as a country, as part of really peacekeeping for our region. So it's not an easy mission, but it is a very important mission.
Izakhamuzi zisalede ngane ngemva kokuthi izindlu engaphezulu kwama-60 zikhahlanyezwe imvula enamandla eCofimvaba eEastern Cape.
Umoya ofuthuza ngamandla wenze umonakalo kwilali ezine washiya abantu abaninzi bengenandawo zakufihla inhloko. Logama imfuyo echaphazelekile. Zonke izilali zishiyeke zingenambane nanjengoko intambo zombane ziqhawulwe ngumoya.
Uye kwafika umoya omkhulu izolo onesitshi wathatha iphahla lonke lendlu wawulahla ngaphambili. Ibhedi ayophula ibiphakathi nefestile zophukile.
Kuye kwanakala izitulo phaya isofa ndathutha nefridge sendizithuthela kwenye nasike emvani kuba semkileke ngokunakala umfula. Nebhedi zimanzi nengubo. Kushiyeke kushiyeke iphahla lodwa ngasendle. Mazinke emkile.
Abahlala abaninzi kusenzima kubo bafumane indawo zokuhlala ngakumbe abo izindlu zabo ziwiswe ngumoya zonke. Iinkokheli zokuhlaleni zicele ungenela karhulumente okhawulezileyo.
Siyabacela ngamagosa khona khawuleze nathi kwamasipala usodolophu wethu sithethile samreportela ngalento kuba ebambekile izinto zininzi kodwa amagosa akwa disaster asendleleni.
Umasipala waseChristiane utyala amagosa ajongene nemeko entlekele ukuba aye kufumana inkcukacha kumonakalo owenzekileyo apha. Ndinkule unyembezi weendaba ze-SABC eCofimvaba.
Iqeqebana labanikezela ngendawo yokuhlala kubafundi basekolishi imbumbulu Coastal TVET kwaMakhutha bavale amasango angena kuleli kolishi bavimba abafundi ukuba bangangeni. Bafuna ke ukukhokhelwa ngokusheshsha imali yabo iNSFAS ngokuhlalisa abafundi eindaweni zabo. Kuze kwadingeka nokuthi ke kuthunyelwa amaphoyisa ukuze ayoqapha isimo.
Abafundi bebevimbeleke ngaphandle kwesikhungo ngesikhathi abanikazi bezindawo esihlala abafundi bevimbe isango. Kudingeke ukuba kubizwe amaphoyisa okuqapha isimo. Abanikazi bezindawo zokuhlala abafundi abanesivumelwano neNSFAS bathi sesiside kakhulu isikhathi bengakhokhelwa imali yabo. Bafuna ke lesikhungo singenelele kulenkinga.
So sibambile ngoba sifuna isikole sisize sixhumane noNSFAS because thina ama-emails ethu ama-calls ethu osibongile abasabambi nabojaca oxolani abasabamba abasaphendula ama-emails.
Umhlangano ophuthumayo phakathi kwabaphathi besikhungo kanye nosomabhizinisi unqume ukuthi sivulwe lesikhungo.
I've written a letter that was addressing the same issue to say, look, we are not responsible for landlords. The payments will come from the horses and NSFAS.
Abe-NSFAS bayavuma ke ukuthi zikhona izinkinga mayelana nohlelo lokukhokhelwa kwabanikazi balezakhiwo.
For a number of students, the payment is made to the students because the issues of the pilot had not been rolled out to everybody. So not all the landlords were on the NSFAS system to be paid directly by NSFAS.
Abanikazi balezi ndawo esihlala abafundi bathi bazokuthatha elinye igxathu uma bengacaciselwa ukuthi bazoyithola nini futhi kanjani imali yabo. NginguSimphiwe Makhanya wezindaba ze-SABC ngikwaMakhutha.
Mbukeli ziyaguqa-ke indaba zehora lokuqala kodwa hayi asikushiwe wedwa-ke mbukeli sikushiya nje-ke nemfanekiso yomgubho wempi yaseswandlane oqhubekayo njengamanje. Sophinde futhi sibonane-ke nakusihlwa ngehora lesikhombisa. Nibe nosuku oluhle nisale kahle.
Usayisihloko bethandwe sibawu suka duso mntembu labanyakhulelwa washatshelwa mna bhidlika wakhulumisela uthwethwe lapha emavumeni babazona ukufunda